Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add realistic makeup to a face in Adobe Photoshop. This non-destructive method is perfect for portrait retouching, allowing you to enhance features without permanently altering your original image. We will cover everything from lipstick and blush to eyeshadow and skin smoothing. If you find this helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let's get started. First, open your portrait photo in Photoshop. To keep your workflow safe, press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer. This ensures your original image stays untouched if you need to start over. Let's begin with the lips. Grab the lasso tool from the toolbar or press L on your keyboard. Carefully draw a selection around the lips, staying as close to the edges as you can. Once selected, go to the top menu, click Layer, then New Adjustment Layer, and choose Solid Color. Pick your desired lipstick shade from the color picker. To make it look realistic, change the layer blend mode to soft light or overlay. You will see the texture return. Adjust the opacity slider between 40 and 70% until it blends naturally with the lip texture. Next, let's add some blush to the cheeks. Create a brand new layer by clicking the new layer icon. Select the brush tool or press B. Pick a light pink color and use a soft round brush to paint gently on the cheekbone area. It might look intense at first, but change the blend mode of this layer to soft light. Lower the opacity to around 20 to 40% for a subtle, natural glow. Now for the eyeshadow. Use the lasso tool again to select the eyelid areas. Create another solid color adjustment layer and choose a makeup color like purple, brown, or gold. Set the blend mode to overlay or soft light and reduce the opacity to your preference to define the eyes. For a final touch, you can smooth the skin. Go to Filters tab 2 and select Camera Raw Filter. Reduce the texture slider to -10 or -20 and reduce clarity slightly to soften the skin tone. Click OK when you are finished. Here are a few pro tips. Always use separate layers for each makeup element. Keep your brush opacity low for realism and zoom in for precision. That's it. You've successfully added makeup in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.